Hello, friends. This is Vishal Singh, and I want to welcome you inside My Paying Ads. Friends, My Paying Ads is the second best revenue sharing and advertisement program after Traffic Monsoon, and thousands of people making money from here. Today I will let you know that how can you promote your Profit Papa link or Traffic Monsoon link inside My Paying Ads to get some leads and also 120% interest in approximately 30 days. So the income generation here is very fast, friends. And also you can get a very huge traffic, as you can see that the registered members is 1,38,221, and it is increasing per hour, per minute, we can say. So you will get a very huge traffic for your business, as traffic is very much important for any business. So, friends, first of all, let's check how popular the My Paying Ads is worldwide. So here we are opening alexa.com. Friends, in Alexa you can check the popularity of any website. So we are talking here about My Paying Ads. So right over there, My Paying Ads.com. It is written over there. So simply click. Oh, sorry, I have done a mistake. mypayingads.com. Yes, there. Just wait. Yes, friends. Now you can see the global rating of the global ranking of My Paying Ads is 6,542, and we are from India. You can also check the rating in India is 7,687. So it is very much clear that the site is very much popular, and you can also see the ranking is increasing day by day, day by day, day by day. So we can say that the site is very reliable and its popularity is increasing day by day. So today I will let you know how to buy ad packs inside My Paying Ads, and how can you promote other business inside My Paying Ads. Okay, friends. So here is the login button. So click over there. If you don't have your username and you haven't created your username or password yet, you can go for the sign up procedure and follow the simple steps. And if you face any problem, you can ask me anytime. So I'm writing here my username and password. My username is Profit Monster, and the password must contain of alphanumeric followed by any special character. So friends, oh, this incorrect. Okay, I have done some mistake. It's profitmonster.com. Okay, look. It's very powerful system, friends. It's very powerful first, and the income generation is very fast, very fast. You can see there is an option of purchase ad pack. So go over there. First, open a new window of Profit Papa. I think you all are registered on Profit Papa. If not, I will let you know okay, what is Profit Papa and how can you generate some extra and some great income by registering on Profit Papa. Profit Papa is not any revenue sharing, is not any just it's a sales funnel. Here we can learn about different income sources on Profit Papa. It's an awesome site made by my mentor, Mr. Praveen Kumar. So here, here is an option of set up a new banner ad. So click over there. We have already registered our banner and Traffic Monsoon. Same thing we have to do here. Here is the banner title. So write Profit Monster, as my website is profitmonster.com. So I'm writing it Profit Monster. If you don't have your domain name, you can simply write Profit Papa, and here is banner URL. Copy it from here. You can copy any banner, copy and paste it over there. Here is destination URL. My Profit Monster dot info, or you can simply, as this is my promotional link in Profit Papa, you can also type your promotional link over there and click on add new. But I have already set up my banner ad, so I'm going back, and here is the option of buy ad packs. So click on buy ad packs, and there are totally four plans: ad pack plan 1, ad pack plan 2, ad pack plan 3, and ad pack plan 4. But in Traffic Monsoon we have only option of one ad pack, so I will suggest you to go for minimum dollar 5 as it mature very quick. So click on purchase. It's very easy. There are five payment processor: Payza, Solitrus, Perfect Money, Coin Payments to pay for you. All these payment processors are very reliable and very authenticate, so you can use any one of them. As we are don't have cash balance, we are using processor. So click on the processor, the gateway, the or processor you want to use. I will use Payza, and enter this number of shares you wish to purchase. Means how many shares you want to purchase. One share costs $5, so I will suggest you to at least go for 20 ad packs, and agree with the terms and condition, and click on pay now. It is redirected to Payja, so click on Payja. Payza is very simple and very easy to use and very user friendly. So I'm using Payza. Coinbase, मतलब coin payments are all very usually very friendly, user friendly. So you can use any of them. Just a minute, friends. It's taking some time due to the net problem. I will suggest you to work on both Traffic Monsoon and My Paying Ads, so you can promote your Traffic Monsoon in My Paying Ads and My Paying Ads in Traffic Monsoon. There is th- no sense to promote your Traffic Monsoon inside Traffic Monsoon and your My Paying Ads and My Paying Ads. So by clicking on email and password and continue, you will be able to make the payment. As I have already purchased my ad pack, so I will not click on that. You can simply use your registered email id of Piazza and password over there and continue. You will be able to make the payment. And although if you face any problem regarding how to purchase ad packs, you can call me or you can contact me anytime. Just I'm showing my phone number or contact details, so you can contact me anytime. Friends, please note down my contact number, and this is my website. You can call me anytime for any help. I'm always there for you. That's all from my side to this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, friends, bye.